Today we have some chainsawing, bush hogging, some other things we gotta do today. Without further ado, let's get into it. Just unloaded the tractor and we're bush hogging down there. We gotta get all this bush hog so we can get the limb down, because it's blocking the road right here, so we have to go around it. And if you can't see, over there is a house, so we're not messing with that over there. We just gotta get this down so we can drive through and get to our cows. And then we gotta do some brush hogging home. We gotta get this limb down. It fell over when we had really high storms. Gotta get this down, but first we're on a mission to unlock the gate so he can mow through here. We gotta mow, we gotta get that limb down, and we have to weed eat a little bit over underneath the hot wire. He ran over a big log. That big log. That tractor. We're bush hogging so we can get to this, because here's the road ish, and we have to go. We've been making tracks to go around, so we ran over this big old thing. Yeah, that's the big one compared to my foot. Okay, so here's the plan. You see all those trees about right there? I think that was where it was, like in that area where my finger is. That is all the limbs. We already didn't film much of it, so sorry about that, but we already got that big old limb from over there, and we put it in that pile. The goal here is to get all this bush hog, because it gives the cows pink eye, and we don't want that, because eventually it could make them blind if it doesn't get treated. So our goal here is to bush hog most of this where we can. Some parts of this pasture it's hard to get to with a tractor and a bush hog. But anyway, yeah, that's what we're doing. That's the plan here. He's gonna keep bush hogging. I think we're gonna bush hog all this lot here where I am. And I'll probably move the truck for him if he wants to bush hog around it. Anyway, that's our plan here for now. I'll catch you guys up in a little bit. My turn to bush hog. Let's get into it. Right here. If you like what you see on this channel, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me grow, and you gotta keep updated with my posts. I know I haven't been very consistent lately because I've been working and all that stuff, but if you like what you see, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And back into it. Thank you. If you made it this far, thank you for watching today's video. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Guys, thank you. If you made it this far, thank you for watching today's video. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.